Okay, mk7 transit heater resistor. This is what you really need to do. I've watched a few videos, and the ones that say cut the top out of the glove box here, you don't need to do that. It's a waste of time. All it does is let light in where you're working, so don't even bother. So down underneath the steering wheel here, this blower pipe that's connected to the fan there, you need to pull it off and pull it down. Now the only way you're going to pull it down is if you drill out this in the front of this part. You've got to drill that out so you can pull that forward, pull that down. Now what I've done on the other end of it, up the back of there, if you can see, is disconnect it from where it goes into the back of the dash to give you a bit more room to pull it down. Now I've took all this front off here. And you don't need to do that. All you need to do is pull this out of here, and then that gives you access to the back of that there, and you can get your hand on the other end of the pipe and pull it out of the way there. Right, so once you've got that out of the way, you've got easy access then, because the blower resistor is right there at the top of the heater box. You can see it's got two T20 Torx screws, and I used it on this little ratchet. Undo the two Torx screws. There's the resistor. Pull it out, pop the other one back in, which I've done, and I've put the screws back in. I've just got wire it up and then put this back together. So that'll have to have a self-tapper in or something just for hold it back. But that's the way to do it. I mean, I've took all this out and I didn't need to do any of that. I hope this helps, because now I know it's going to save a lot of time.